So here is my model before, and here is me now getting started on the haircut. So as you can see, I'm taking a center section down the middle back, dividing the left side from the right side. Now what I'm going to do is take an A-line section, you can see right there, and comb the hair down and clip away the rest. That first section is going to be my guide for the length in the back. And then what I'm going to do is, after I've established that outline, that length, that guide, I will continue to take A-line sections, working my way up the head, combing the hair down to the previous section, which again will have been previously cut, and so I will have that as my guide to establish the length for the rest of the haircut. Now, my special instructions from my model was that she wanted to be able to leave enough hair in the back to do a pigtail. Not a ponytail. We don't have enough hair to actually do a full-blown ponytail, but she wanted to be able to do a pigtail. So based off of that, what we're going to do is some layering through the top, the sides, and back, but we're just going to leave the length longer in the back. So now that we have completed the length in the back and made sure that we have enough length back there to do a pigtail, it is time to start the layering. So we want to get rid of a lot of the weight to make the hair lighter. So as you can see, I'm taking a center section down the middle back, combing the hair straight back, holding my fingers in a square shape, and establishing those layers in the back. Now that center section is going to be my guide for the rest of the layers on the back. So now I'm taking another section to the right, and as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight back and simply just using the previous section that I already cut as my guide. now that the layering on the right side is complete, I'm going to now do the layering on the left side. And so as you can see, I'm taking another section just to the left of the center back, combing the hair straight back using that very first section that I cut as my guide, and I'm going to carry on doing this through the rest of the left side. So now that the layering on the back is complete, I'm going to start the layering on the side. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight out of the right side and establishing that first layer on the sides. Now that layer is going to be the guide for the rest of the layers in the front of the ear. Then I'm going to blend those layers with the back. Now that we have completed the layers on the right side of the head, I'm going to do the layers on the left side. So I've now blew dried the hair dry, and I'm going to cut the bangs. Now, after I cut the bangs, I'm going to layer through those bangs to make them lighter. And then I'm going to slice out a lot of the weight throughout the layering. My model has a ton of hair, and so we want to add some texture to the top so that my model can dress her hair different ways if she'd like to. And so by doing that, we're going to go through and start slicing out a lot of the weight that's in her hair. So it's time to now start the slicing technique. So because my model has so much hair, like I mentioned before, we're going to go through and just slice out a lot of the weight, chip into a lot of the weight so that the hair is broken up more and a lot less heavy and a lot more lighter. have officially come to the end of this haircut. As you can see, the hair is a lot lighter than when we originally started. My model has a ton of hair, so we went through, layered it all up, sliced out a bunch of the hair. As you can see, here is me showing her that she still has enough length to do that pigtail like she requested, and basically it is much lighter. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching.